Kakenun Menteri Jong Jela Meghalaya hapok kejing penyiat Menteri Rangba Konrad Kongkal Sagma hagejing elang kebelalong haka kandar trek biayong hajar arpun rio. Kalasya Megarai ni kebentak Sor Shillong de keba Mynjur benseng ya ke Greater Shillong Waste Management Agency keba ensekendrong kerteng komka society. Kani kesenjam kelong mat penihap at penrenti eger kom lum bat penyiat ikinyut Sor Shillong kebanang he banang bon brio kat banang mi kismi. Habakrani kinong patai kubor Menteri Rangba ula pensyai bahagi por bemensywa kakam lum nyut Shillong kalong ke balapan benta perang tenat bapher. Ula kedau baka cantonment board ke municipal board bat kiwe jakai ke bahap syabar ke municipal ke bahap apok ke 6th schedule kidan hapok ke jekmi jong ke district council bat kibuan kibor sensyar. Kani kejing eper kibor sensyar kelawan ra kejing duna ke komnet trelang bat kejing berhenti kakam kabala kata kejing kuat jong kesor. Namar kata ke Sorkar kelarai ban penlong ya kene ke agency kenang banla ban penyat renti ya barok kam lum nyot apok ke Greater Shillong Planning Area ke bahaya kumba arspa prapupra point san square kilometer. Menteri Rangba ula banrap ru bak Sorkar kelayo ikijing ajing mut ke District Council kamtam na ke KHADC. Bala pensyai ru ikijing keli halor ke benta bak District Council kandon hapok kene ke agency.
And as I said, there's a strong need to have some kind of an agency that will be able to coordinate and improve the overall efficiency of the garbage collection and management. And as I said, if you look at the overall size, there is a lot of difference in the collections that is taking place and a huge scope for overall improvement. What is important in this is that number one, consultation has been done with different localities and they've given their response, and the majority of the localities have responded positively. We have also taken comments from district councils, especially Khasi Hills District Council and other departments. They've raised certain queries about how district council will be involved and not involved, and we have clarified to the district councils on that matter. But what is important about this agency is that it is not a mandatory service that you will need to avail. It is an agency that will be created, but the final decision whether to use the services of this agency or not will lie with the respective localities. And as and when the localities desire that this agency provide the services to them, only then will the particular locality be serviced through this particular agency. So it's not mandatory. It is not intruding into any area or any jurisdiction of any other authority. It is purely a service-oriented agency, which will be purely based on voluntary demand and request of the localities, and only based on that will we move ahead with providing the services in that particular locality.